Alright guys, we're just going to kick it into Windows 98. You know, this is the emulator. This is the 86 box. I use it because it's the only one I found. DOS box, all them, doesn't do proper hardware. Regardless what people say, it doesn't do proper hardware. You see what it does with this emulator? You actually customize the hardware yourself. You can't do that with your DOS box. It just uses what's pre-installed on your machine. This you can download all the drivers for the particular graphics cards, with audio cards and all that kind of stuff. So if anyone says DOS box is better, no it isn't. And it's just my choice at the moment, so end of argument. Right, what I'm going to do today, I've been writing some code, but I've just finally found my little snippets of files. I'm just running, it's actually launching Windows 98 now. And this is as if it is a PC, you know, a Windows 98 machine. The CPU's a Pentium Celeron. It's just not quite accurate with the sound card driver, so I've got to sort that out. That's a bit nasty. But definitely, I might even turn off the sound card because it's a bit. 27% is emulating at the moment. It's not good, that. I might actually 40% middle button. Where's my auto? Right, because it's a bit. Might because I'm also downloading in the background. I'm downloading some TV shows because I like to, whilst I'm writing code or whatever, watch videos or do my research and stuff. But what I'm going to do, one second, I'm going to change the hardware. No, I'm not. Right, okay, so what we need to do now is we're going to go back into vb6 6. I like this language, so that's why I'm picking it for this particular video. And I'm going to go to uudump with my timer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you linking up shell calls. So what we need to do is, there is a piece of software I wrote a long time ago, or a set of folders I wrote. I designed some application tools. Is it shared or was it backup? I think it was backup. Snippets. Now if you see all these folders, they're all to do with certain applications what I wrote 20 years ago, even more than that. What date are these? Gen code. What's the date of that one? (2015). So it's a good 10 years ago. In fact, I'll show you some of these actually. I think some of these will, yeah, some applications, stuff what I design and stuff what I'm using for research. But with what I'm going to do with this now is I'm going to go uptime. I'm going to look for something called uptime, which was a script I wrote years ago. There it is, script. There's two of them, but we're just going to use this one. So obviously there's a library it calls, so we need that. Whoop. Way slow. Right. Excuse me. And then we need, back to snippets again, and we need to do this call. So get Windows update uptime. Basically what that does is I need it for my programs to determine how long the computer's been switched on. This is what this does. So in other words, I'm gonna leave that at the bottom there. Whoops. Is it outside the folder? If I just go in there, is it that way? win time. Has it got to be win function? Win time equals set. It's been such a long time since I looked at this. 24 hours 00 dead. Sometimes it didn't like these things. So it was alright. Okay. I'll check it over in a minute. Right, okay, close bracket, in close bracket. There we go. Oh, right, okay, so there's another one still, so I'll just do that. Yeah, okay. There we go. Right, so basically what that'll do is it'll show the uptime of the system. So it's this variable here, seconds. And then we'll put it in the timer. So it'll show you the actual time it took since the system startup. So since it logged into Windows basically. So right, we got this here. I'll drop a snippet in the code. Actually, this should run on any version of Visual Basic or any version of Basic, or from the Microsoft one, obviously. So we go for there, and that's label 2, label DOS. Right, okay, so we'll go to the, take it there, and then we'll go BIM, and then we'll label 2.caption, whoops, equals that. Now it should, in theoretical terms, oh, wait a minute, no it won't. I need it on the second copy. I'll just delete that. My fault, I've realised something. I need to start a second timer because that one's got a start and stop feature and we don't want that. So we'll just put it in here. Right, so that's that. Now what we do is we go back to the timer interval again, and then we'll go timer 2 dot interval equals 500. So we're doing half a second. Timer 2 dot enables equals true. This one's going to be running all the time. And now let's just see if it runs. Oops, maybe not. Oh, that's that keyword thing, isn't it? Ugh. It picks the word better first before that, yeah. Right, okay, so let's do it. There we go. So it's been up for 7 minutes. This computer, this version of Windows has been up for 7 minutes. Now what I could do is I could pull the information from that and put them in them. If you get what I'm saying. And now how would I do that? How would I do that? Simples. Right, we'll just place it there. And we could grab, how would I do it? Now how would I do it? I could do it this way. So I could add another button. And I could just do insert. Oh, yeah, well, update. That'll do. That means then that if I'm actually starting this program late, it'll work it out from the time it will do it, which will be handy for the program I've actually, because I'm using a uudump and it's been doing it for 4 days now. It just takes a long time. So if you get it now, it looks like that, right? So what we're going to do is press the U button and it'll update these with the whatever's in there. So you've got 0 days, 0 hours, 9 minutes and 17 seconds. Now what we want to do is we want to add that into our structure. Now how we're going to do that? Where is it? See ya. Now what I could do, and I'm thinking about doing it, is push in the days, so 0, 0 days. So we could go label 1 of, is it 0, equal dot tag equals, I'm just going to do it this way, it's just simpler. Go away. Right, up. This is how I'm going to do it now. Yeah, I worked it out this way. So what I'll do now is I should do it. Tag equals ice. That's it. Get take ice. Okay, yeah, that should be right. Is it a string? It must be a string. I'll just do it as this. Oh, right, yeah. I'm getting what he's doing. Poo-poo head. Right, that's it. It's a format string. Format string. That's right. Huh? Format string. Yes. That's it. Divided by tag equals level 1, 0. Is it level? It is 0, isn't it? 1 of 0. Yeah, that's right. What I'm doing is I'm building the variable first, or the tag first. So what is it? Tag? Is it tag? Sure, it's tag. Tag, yeah, it is tag. See, I'm using that as a blind variable. You don't see it in the settings. So 24. Oh. I'll pay off. I don't think it is it? Does it? I don't think you need the double bracket, do you? No. What's he doing? Hey? Hey? Oh, okay. Does that work? Like that, is it come up with an error? I think he's going to come up with an error. No? Okay. Okie dokie. So obviously we're going to take that now and we'll take that, that, and that. So we're gonna go 1, 2, and 3. If you get what I'm doing, bit of a weird one. Mod 24. Is it mod 24? Right, okay. So it's and that. Divided by 360 mod 24. Okay. 1, 2, 1. Hey. 1, 2, 3. Stupid thing. Go off. What heck? 360 mod 24. Yeah. Divided by top tag equals. I hate bug error repairs. Bug repairs. Oh my. Is it that way? Oh no, wait a minute. It's not mod blue. I'm doing the wrong line, aren't I? Like a pillock. Okay, whatever. Right, we're mod 24. Divided by 24. 24. My fault that. There you go. Let's split up because I'm getting them mixed up. So let's divided by mod 24. So it's mod 24. Huh? Divided by mod 24. There's it bracket. Huh? It is mod. Why is it doing that? Divided by mod. Oh right, okay. Fair enough. Oh, let's just shrink this. My apologies, guys. Yeah, I'm still trying to remember a lot of how it works. Right, hours divided by 60. 60. Minutes divided by 6. So mod 60. Going wrong here somewhere. 3. Right. Days, hours, minutes. Minutes is divided by 60. Mod 360. hours mod 360, yeah. So it's mod mod 60. I think that's right. Let's try. Let's have a look at that. Whoops. Mod 60. Right. Okay. And it's mod 60. And then we go. Oh, pee off. Is it divided by? I set mod. I've got to convert it so it accurately. Can be awkward, this language. Right. Pay off. Pay off. Right. Okay. So where's that? They want to mod 60. Format string. Assets. Mod 60 bracket. Oh, wait a minute. Is it because of this? Got to do that, that, and that. There you go. Ah, thought I, yeah, okay. Not a problem. Now what we're going to do is going to transfer these to these. So on the update, this is the update bit here. I think this is the update. There's the update. Right. For UI equals up. For user interface update 0 to 3. Label 1 of UI. Transferring it. Caption equals label 1 of UI. You can know where I'm getting it now. Tag. There you go. So basically what it is, when you press the update, it'll just update from the moment it's kicked in. So in other words, if I run this now, you should get, like, we've got 22 minutes, press the update. Alright, what a ball. 52 minutes, that's not right, is it? Alright, okay, so what am I doing wrong here? It is going the right way around, isn't it? Yeah, you think about it, it should be right. Obviously I'm doing a calculation error here somewhere. I don't know why it's doing that. UI, yeah, it's transferring the variable over. Let's just have a look at my other strip. I'm wondering whether or not I've done a miscalculation somewhere. See, that does it a different way. That counts in days as well. But it puts it into a different arrays. Okay. Dogs. Mod 24. Yeah. Tag 1, 2. I should actually. I'll error test it. And what I'll do with error testing, or bug testing, whatever you want to call it, I usually use right, so we got the error handler, the timer handler here. So what we'll do is we'll go yu me dot caption equals nothing. It's half a second, so we'll update. Right, so for UI equals 0 to 3, me dot caption equals label 1 dot UI equals whoop. Ugh. Right. It's the next UI. So in other words, what we should do, in fact, I'll put space in. Whoops. I don't like this keyboard I'm using. Right, that should be right now. So we should get, oh, what's he doing that? So obviously he's not working out the string correctly. Right, okay. So that's what the bug is. One or two, one or two, one or... I set 360 mod 24. 24 hour clock. Right, hours mod 24. Number of hours mod 360. Mod 24. Oh. Hours. That should be there. That mod 24 hours. Right, mod 360 divided by 64. Mod 360. Mod 360. Oh, my mind's already melting. Why is it doing that? I think it's right. Let me just bring up that, whoops, that snippet, uptime. This is the fun of having to break down code. I'll just do it. Right, so we've got hours, got days, 24 days, 24 hours is days, right, that's days. Let's just mark it off days, hours, minutes, seconds. Mod 60. That's right. Right, minutes. Mod. Divided by. Oh. Mod 36. Have I got it? Ah, right. Wait a minute. Minutes. Minutes is mod 360. Right, mod minutes divided by 60. Right. Okay. Right, we got hours. Hours in mod 24. Mod 24. 360 mod. And then days 24. Right, I think we've got it. Right, let's run it. Oh, we've got two values. Is that 32? Alright, 32 minutes. Oh, of course, yeah, there's no 0, because 0 won't show up, will it? Unless it's hashes. Right, okay, that's why it's not showing. So if I was to do 0, 0, 0, 0, I think it works that way. There should be some 0 showing up. There you go. So it's 30. So if I update that now, there you go. So there you go, bit of short information for you guys. It's updating automatically. Look, alright, okay, so if I go there, Now if I run it on the computer, and I'll show it you at some point in the next video, I'll show it on the PC. I'm up running it off, but because it's been going on for hours, you know, it's been 3 days. I'm getting from uudump Windows 11 all the versions, and before I register it, but it takes an age to download and set up all your all the values. But there you go. Anyway, 35 minutes. But yeah, that's the uptime of the machine. So it's actually, yeah, it's about yeah, that's all right, that right. But if I pause that, if I start that, it's a separate time, you see. So even though with the system, because yeah, what I'm just trying to do is to make it so I could customize the times to start off if the programmer started this program afterwards, and I can just sort of calculate it that way. But yeah, there you go. My apologies for the time. You know, it's been such a long time since I last used this language. I could probably write even quicker in other, you know, I could write in C, I can write in, can I use Pascal? I don't think I can. I can use C, C++, C sharp and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, anyway guys, that's it. That's my little bit of clicking around update to my program, my uudump version 2. Actually, I might put it as a version, and I might do a download. If people want it, let me know. If you're interested in my source code, even though it's just simplified, you're more than welcome. I can just do it in a zip file. Docking, what's docking? Oh right, okay. It's to do with these, isn't it? Right, so let's just go over to here for a sec. I'm not going to build it. Yeah, I think I'll build the... Can you hear the dog barking? Ooh! Right, is that to compile it? What is he doing here? Is that... Alright, okay. Replace the program. There you go. So, there's a project. You go to here and you set up the preferences. There it is. So the bug, in fact the program, once I've completed it, once I'm happy with it, I'll just give you a quick demonstration of the other bits and pieces what are in here. But I will actually, I think probably in the next video I'll do a distribution. But what have I got in here? Give you an idea. Bearing in mind, I wrote most of these little tools in 2015. Right, so what we got here? Analog clock. Some of these were probably grabbed off the net whilst I've done my research. Yeah, it's not one of mine, this is someone else, whoever he is. Yeah, look. But I used it. I think I did. I altered it. I made it, this bit where I can slide it around is mine. So I was just playing around. So thank you whoever you are. What else? Analog clock, element. Transparency, anything transparent. What's this? Okay. Alright, making buttons transparent. Obviously bits of research. Because you don't just learn it straight away, do you know what I mean? No one's perfect. Unless you work for Microsoft. Clock timer. What's this? I don't even know half of these old programs. Oh, maybe it needs a runtime. Yeah, there's nothing in there. It's a call. So I don't need to use that. What we got here? Oh. ASUS. Code upload, crop pictures, cropped uploaded. GDI I will actually, some of them I won't show. I think these are my first versions. Hard disk tray. Icon. That's detects hard disk activity, I think. Just in brightness, key finder, Windows keys. Pocket, whatever, test. Excuse me. Text to picture. Alright, a screen capture of some form. Half of this I don't remember. You're talking, like say, it's 10 years ago. Fading text, letters, drive letters. Yeah, just bits of code. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go because I'm going for lunch. We're going to a diner. So, MS Shell, what's in that? Oh, right, okay. So it's just applying keys to the registry. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Usual stuff, you know where I am. If you like it, what I'm doing, and it's a bit different from video games, isn't it? We'll be moving on to different languages. I might have a go at machine code at some point. It's been such a long time since I don't really. It was Z80 when I was using machine code, but I don't use machine code in a good 20 years. My father was more or less for the Z80s and stuff like that. Right, I'm going. Take care, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao for now.